Hi guys, it's 6th of November. We are here from WalletX Hacker House talking about the history
Talking about Bitcoin today.
and the history in the making. So, it's 6th of November.
Coffee with Bitcoin.
Coffee with Bitcoin, yes. So, it's 6th of November. It's a big day in terms of how we are going in the market. Lot of speculation on who's gonna win. Not that it affects us directly, but it definitely affects crypto. So let's shed some light on what are your opinion, what are your thoughts. You've been in
Let's
crypto
do it.
for a long time. You've seen a couple of bull runs, so you know how it goes. So let's talk about your experience. Yeah. So maybe you can enlighten us with the idea of where the bull market is heading with Trump winning today. If it wins today, what are the chances of crypto or Bitcoin going higher than, let's say, 90K for starters?
So it seems like Trump will win the election today. At least at the time of recording of this video, it feels like Trump is going to win. So on the news, on the Twitter, it feels like that's going to happen. That is also being reflected on the price of Bitcoin because it also reached an all-time high. So that's crazy, firstly. So we crossed like $76,000 of Bitcoin today in a few hours ago.
Yeah.
And if Trump wins, I think in the next few days, Bitcoin could cross even higher. And beyond this point, it becomes very difficult to figure out where is the next phase. So when you are looking at the charts, when you go inside the price discovery mode and in the bull market, it's difficult to figure out where it is going to stop. So the best idea, I think I'm going to do it for myself is if the price of Bitcoin goes a little down, I'm going to buy a bit of it and take a position for the long position and not have a lot of leverage. So just to test out the thesis. But I think that is what will happen once Trump wins the election today.
That would make sense, but then crypto is crazy as crazy gets. We've all had speculation about various points of news in the past, in the very recent history, and all of it has turned out upside down.
Yeah.
So sell the news is a big thing, is a real thing, right? And everyone in crypto right now is thinking that they are smart. Oh yes, crypto will boom once Trump wins. Everyone is just ready with their bag to sell off. Don't you think that is a general idea when the all-time high is already there and you don't know where it's going to stop? So what do you think about that?
So buy the rumor, sell the news is generally right. So the price of Bitcoin will still depend on the overall macroeconomic of what's happening in the stock market in USA also. It won't go against that. So wherever generally the smart money is, so that is where the price of Bitcoin will also go. It is not going to go against the equity market. At least that would happen in the next few weeks. So there may be people who would try to do sell the news. But I think at this point, if we cross the all-time high, like positively, which feels like the right point will be to cross $73,000 confidently. Like today's day should end at $73,000 and then it should look bullish. So if that happens, we are at a price discovery mode, and beyond that anything could happen. So the right thing I think would be like the price of Bitcoin won't be like 74, say immediately it will go to $90,000. Okay, so it will go there 74, maybe 80, come back to 74. It needs to retest the $73,000 range also again. And we will also keep an eye on all the commentary on the Twitter itself as well. A lot of great people are tweeting about what's the next step that they are going to do. So we will look at that also and we will figure out what's going to happen. Like take a step based on that also. It's always better to probably not take a position if you're not sure. So rather than losing money, Like it is very likely, it is very possible that Bitcoin can go from 74 right now to even 69, immediately go back. Volatility is crazy in Bitcoin. So
I mean, that is what I believe would happen. This is my personal opinion. As much as I have tracked market and I have been in crypto space for almost 4 years now, I've understood the nuances in my own way. I feel that after the news comes, yes, we have hit all-time high right now when the presidency is not announced. But once it gets announced, let's say this evening, when it gets announced that, okay, maybe Trump won, maybe Kamala won, I think for a brief period of time, even from all-time high, let's say it would reach 80K, and then it will take a drop. And then if Trump wins, it will keep carrying forward on the upward direction. But you also mentioned that it won't act indifferent from equity market.
yeah,
So when we talk about equity market, now we know Trump election or the election in US is one topic. But we haven't been talking about, or not a lot of people have been talking about, that BlackRock, which is one of the biggest market maker in equity market, has the third highest ownership of Bitcoin. So wherever this goes today, Bitcoin, I think on a long run, Bitcoin is only going up because now the whales have,
that is
put
correct.
an eye on Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Whatever happens today.
Yeah. So I think a lot of traders also lost a lot of money because of liquidation. That is why the price of Bitcoin immediately crushed upwards. There were billions of dollars at $70,000 to $73,000, and they might have gotten liquidated. I haven't seen it, but that is also something that plays a role when you're squeezed and the price goes up. So that could have also been the case, and after that people would ease down. But going forward, I think the month of November and December is going to be crazy. It's going to be very bullish, irrespective of what happens to the price of Bitcoin today, tomorrow, or in a few days. I think it is going to go higher and higher and higher. And I personally will probably take positions as it goes a little lower and try to profit a little bit, not to lose a lot of money. And try to do that.
We'll try.
We will try to do that.
Yeah.
Don't try this at home. Okay, don't.
Or maybe you should.
No, don't try this.
But yeah, I mean, speaking of Bitcoin, yes, it is going all-time high. But the real fun happens when alt season comes. I mean, that is my opinion. I've seen the alt season of 21.
Because you have altcoins.
Yes, I have. I hold some meme coins also. But that's fine. Risk. There is some portion of risk that I'm willing to take as a young person in my portfolio. So yes, I have tried things. I have some altcoins. Solana is pumping. Solana has flipped today. Solana has flipped BNB in the market cap.
What are you saying?
Yes.
Yeah.
Dogecoin is gaining traction. You know why? And that has also flipped a lot of other projects in terms of market cap. So all of these things are happening today. 6th of November 2024 is when we are recording this.
1 p.m. India time.
Yeah.
IST.
Yes. Yeah. So whatever happens, whatever we do today, I believe that, or whatever anyone does today in terms of Web3 is going up. But like we can talk about, how the fundamentals of behind all the tokens are. Like after getting into WalletX, for example, I understood that there are fundamentals. There are certain problems that these projects who have their token are solving problems. So I got into fundamentals, and now I feel that I have a better understanding of how the how that thing would react to markets. But then again, that is just speculation. I mean, as any market is, it's mostly speculation. But yeah.
Yeah, one more thing to also notice is that the dominance of Bitcoin. So the altcoin season will come when the Bitcoin dominance starts going down.
Right.
So right now, I think the dominance
60%.
No, it is at 78% actually. I think so. Yeah, I think so.
You have your laptop.
I think it is at 78. Okay, so Let us go to coin market cap.
So market
I'm
dominance.
sorry, it is at 59%.
Yes.
Yes.
Last I checked, it was 60. So market dominance is basically how many people are investing into Bitcoin as opposed to any other altcoins, right?
Yeah.
So
The market cap of Bitcoin as compared to the market cap of anything which is not Bitcoin.
right. So the way it works is now Bitcoin is at all-time high, let's say, for example, and people have taken their money as profit from Bitcoin and they want to maybe explore other things other than Bitcoin. So that is the time when this shift happens. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, so Bitcoin rallies first, and the dominance will probably go a little higher than what it is right now. And so right now the dominance of Bitcoin is actually going up since few months, since 2022 in fact.
Right.
So it is going up, and when the dominance of Bitcoin starts going down, that is when the altcoins go crazy.
Yeah.
They will go crazy. So at this moment there will be some coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or some coins that might try to front run the rally, altcoin rally, get that FOMO. So many market makers also try to manipulate this. So when the price is higher, they will just try to increase the price of one coin to certain extent that people feel like, oh fuck, the altcoin season is already there.
Right.
But I think the real altcoin season will come. If it comes, it will come when the dominance of Bitcoin will start going down. So it is at 60% right now, and it can go to, I can see that it is also gone to 68% in 2019. So it can also go till 68. It is at 59% right now.
Right.
So I think in the next few months, as Bitcoin reaches its all-time high, the dominance will increase, and it is better to probably have Bitcoins. And in some time, when the dominance starts going down, the alt rally will really come out.
At least the main question is, when do you understand, when do you realize when it's on the price discovery mode, you can't check out on the peak, right?
Yeah.
Most people can't.
Yeah. You can't exit trying to get to the peak and selling at the peak is a journey where people will die. Like, it's not possible at all. Maybe the right thing that we should try to do is to take small bets. So what we know for sure is that Bitcoin is at an all-time high. Okay, Bitcoin has crossed its halving. So we are in a bull run. That is for sure. Of course, we are in a price discovery mode. So everything will look like it's coming up. Like, if Trump wins, so things will look like it's going to go positive. So in the next few months, the price of Bitcoin will probably go up. So our stance should be to be in the trend and take small profits. We will try to do that at least. So we will try to take positions. If things go a little down, we will take it and we will sell it, maybe at a profit of 20%. The objective is not to make like life-changing money when the price of Bitcoin goes up. Nobody
Rational wealth.
I don't think like 99.9% of the people cannot make life-changing money in trading. So it is more like gambling. But maybe we can make some good money, which will help us. That can happen by taking small bets and trying to cancel out if things go down. So I think this is what we should do, and that is what we are going to do. If you guys want to see us do a bit of trading and experiment so that you don't lose your money, maybe we can try.
Lost enough, so we can
Lost today only. So, but if you want to see us to do a bit of trading as the price of Bitcoin goes up, so let us know in the comment section. The strategy should be very simple for us. We will simply just take small positions if the price of Bitcoin goes down, and we will exit if we make let's say 20% profit. So every time that happens, we'll take 20% profit, we'll take it up, and from the profit we'll do some airdrops to everybody who's watching, and if you want to do that, so give us a thumbs up.
Yes.
if you want.
Like, share, and subscribe. But the last verdict. What is your last verdict? Where are we going today? Not tomorrow. Not
So till yesterday, I thought.
Yeah.
Till yesterday, I thought कि Kamala will win. Kamala Harris will win because there were some left-wing activists on Twitter who were very confident. Even now, it feels like, I've seen their message.
And you were saying that the prices will go down.
So
Who was saying that Trump is gonna win and the prices are gonna
So
go high?
he was also saying that Trump is going to lose. Okay.
Hey, I am fully aware that Trump is winning this election. I mean,
But yesterday you were saying that
I said that Trump will win, and the price.
and you said that I took a short position on Bitcoin. No?
I did not. You did that, and I tell.
Then he was saying that Trump is going to 180, and he took a short position on Bitcoin, and he got liquidated today morning. But that is fine. So we will try that again. Okay. So if you want to see that, I think you should let us know in the comment section. If we get 50 likes on this video, so we will actually do that. And let's put maybe.
And I'm not gonna short it. I as I said, my final verdict would be when the news comes that Trump is elected, the prices will go down. It has reached 76.
So that's what we need to buy, no?
Yeah, I mean, of course. Or if you are option trading or futures, that is the point where someone would
Enter. It's called entering that.
Yes, entering but shorting the market.
No, you can't short. You shouldn't short the market when the price is going down. See, again, the same thing.
Before it goes down, that is what I'm saying.
No. Don't go against the trend. We shouldn't go against the trend.
But that's what happened yesterday. But that's what is happening.
Today you got liquidated because of that only. Okay, so let's not do.
I wish I had taken the trade that I said that I would last night. I was gonna long Bitcoin at 70, but unfortunately I did not.
That's what that trading world is full of regrets. Whatever you do, you will always regret.
No regrets.
No regrets. Regrets.
Yeah, just flip it. Just flip the Bitcoin and you will see.
So today's sponsor of the video is actually our own project. We are sponsoring ourselves. It is WalletX. Of course, you would know WalletX if you are watching this video because it is being shown on the WalletX YouTube channel. If you don't know what it is, go check it out. We will put a link in the description below for you guys to have a look at it. If you don't know what you're going through, we'll make a video script on how to get started with a non-custodial wallet very soon. But thank you so much for watching the first ever Coffee with Crypto show. Okay, maybe we can name it that. I don't know. My coffee mug is actually pretty full. Don't trust anybody in crypto. Okay, trust nobody. Get WalletX, and we will see you guys very soon if we get a lot of views on this video. Okay,
Ciao.
bye.